Good morning. I'm Lynn, and welcome to a blustery, freezing rain day at Ewetopia Farms. The rain's coming down. There's quite a lot of thunder and lightning, and it's freezing. It's absolutely terrible out here today. We got brutal winds, freezing rain, thunder and lightning, and look at how dark it is. It's so cold and nasty. Okay, here we go. Hi. How you doing, buddy? Or should I say Leonard? You hungry, buddy? Buddy, you got some food up on in your bowl, and we'll get yours. Hi, little guy. You want some too? I brought an extra bottle for you today. I did. Come on over. Good boy. Just hopped out of the feeder and is checking to see what I'm doing for chores. Hi, Thelma. Louise is already out of her pen and is in the feeder over there. She goes. She's heading in to help Barney with the hay over here. Are you coming here too? Thelma's already in the feeder. Yes, she's already up there. You gonna go join her? Well, I'm gonna walk by you because I got work to do, okay? There we go. How's the salt and mineral situation? Okay. We're in here right now, feeding the lambs their bottles. In the background, you can hear that thunder. These guys in here don't care about the thunderstorm. We got lamb races going on back in the background here. It's so dark you can see the reflections in their eyes from the light. You would totally swear this was evening. It's so dark. It's days like today that I'm really glad we do have the barns. I would not be able to rest comfortably during the day if these guys were all outside right now. Hear the thunder. I don't know if you can hear it above the ewes in the other barn. Arnie's feeding them, so there's a lot of noise going on. I just gave Luther a bottle today. He came up, so I thought I'd see if he wanted some, and he took a little bit. Hi guys, are you looking at me? Am I talking about you? Yes, I am. You got a very fuzzy face there, buddy. As I was doing chores in the younger pen of lambs today, where Luther is, and Looney, they've just reached the age now where they're starting to show who the standouts are as well. It takes about a couple of months before you really start to see who's shining and who's not. And I can see that this may be, if you're liking the more 4-H win a show type competition, the ones in this barn are a little bit taller. I mean, we're not talking monster sheep, but they're a little more stylish for the shows in here. These are mostly sired by our own rams. The other barn are definitely nice too, and it always depends on the judge. Some will ding you if they get too tall, some will ding you if they get too short, but I'm thinking this may be the showier group in here, and the other group is definitely for people who want to add substance to their sheep. No lammies out here today. The rain has stopped for a second, but we still got the thunder and lightning going on around us. It's so dark that all our night lights have come on in the barns. No, that's not the angels playing bowling in heaven. I can hear in the lamb barn that the Dorset lambs are definitely missing their mums way more than the Suffolks are. The rain is going to come now again, so I'm going to turn this off and get in the barn. See the lights in all our barns? Those only come on in the dark, and it's like 11 in the morning. Poor guys, it's going to be dark all day. Same in here, only the night lights are on. So when a farmer comes into their barn in the morning to check on the sheep, you always kind of do a quick glance. And I wanted to show you this, but of course when I see it, all the other lambs walk around it. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you. But we'll try get over there without disturbing things. But see how everyone's standing up or lined up with their chewing their cud. But right over here, oh, we had someone flat out, but Katie scared him, so he's up. But the lying flat out sheep always scary. I think somebody's died overnight. How you guys all doing? You're having a thunderstorm when you get weaned. How about that? Kind of nervous cleaning the drinkers in this because the lightning keeps flashing over there. We just knock down those every day because sometimes they just don't flow out, so we want to make sure everyone can reach it. There, we got another one laying flat out back there. Katie, get over here, please. And you're always terrified, especially after weaning, that they've stressed out and tried to jump over something and injured themselves and died or something like that. So it's pretty scary. Hi, you guys. But I'm guessing there's a few laying flat out like that today because they probably didn't sleep well last night, worrying about their moms. But you see what I mean? How at first glance you think they might be dead? Because generally sheep don't lay flat out. But I do see this one breathing and its eyes are moving. Buddy, are you okay? But I do want to make sure he's not injured. Are you okay, buddy? Oh, you're okay. You're okay. That's good. We were a little nervous. Oh, Arnie's rolling up the curtain.
Heard thunder before.
Probably. No, they wouldn't have heard thunder before. But they must have cried a lot last night because there were a couple laid out flat, like dead to the world. I thought they might have died, but I guess they're tired. Yeah.
Took the mothers away. They'll be tired, eh?
But it's funny, all the Dorsets are at the front, and all the Suffolks are in the back of their pen. Oh, lightning. Now it's pouring. I don't know how we're going to get home. It's a terrible commute back to the house right now. Oh, see the ice coming off out there? That's ice and rain and I think I'm going to go do the salt minerals on the other side and then turn the lights on so we can see a little better in here. Pretty spooky out there, isn't it? Yeah, hi. This has got to be from the same mom as Tammy, because this ewe lamb looks just like Tammy and acts just like... Oh, look at the stuff coming off the roof. Probably can't see that, but that's craziness. You should turn the light on. Oh, the lights are on. They just got to brighten up a bit because it doesn't look like you even turned them on. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. How you doing, buddy? You're a good girl. Hi. How you guys doing? Hi. Hello. Hello. I checked this girl on my records yesterday. We were looking at her, so I went in and remembered her number. And we had 2 ewes that wanted to reject their lambs. This was one where the mom wanted to reject her, that I said is a keeper for sure. And her mom was the one that accepted the lamb quicker. But that made me remember the other one who was in the jug for a long, long time. So I'm going to find her one of these days and see how she made out. You're lovely too. You're all so lovely. Oh my goodness. Wondering if this is my guy again over here. Are you my guy? Hi, are you the one? Hi, I know you want to be my guy too. Well, I was wrong. Arnie does like my ram. I showed him to him just now. And he says he likes them too. And he's got a wonderful disposition. I like this guy too, though. Right here. Look at the ears on him. Oh, see what I mean? Whenever I go to show someone, another one goes in the way. So shall we let these guys out to pasture?
Right now?
Right now. Do you think they'd even go out of the barn? Is that terrible? Some people are...
Actually, it's hail. That's not hail.
People are lambing in the fields right now.
Not Canada.
It's April, Arnie.
When anybody's lambing in the field right now, it's just lamb.
That's right. She's giving you a haircut. Put your arm around her and then she'll stop.
Oh, the last one with the hair around that.
You have to put your arm around her.
This sheep will never breathe. He hasn't moved in 10 minutes.
Arnie, because yesterday I turned him into a zombie. We never even met him before. And then yesterday I pet him and now he thinks he's the pet of the century. And this little ewe lamb, remember we had 2 ewes that rejected their lambs? Remember one took it back really quickly? This is that one. I want to find the other one too.
They're fighting.
This guy's pretty nice too. We got a quick break, so we're running back to the main barn to wash our bottles. The yard is basically flooded, and the trees and everything are covered in ice. Hailstorm. Where are we going today? People wanna know what our private life is like.
We're gonna get some. Take a guess. We're gonna get some new jeans because people are offering me money now, and they're feeling like I'm a homeless person, so I don't want to give that impression. So I'm gonna get some new jeans today. We're gonna bring the tap back to Home Depot. But before all that, I'm going to take the woman I love to Wendy's for a spicy chicken burger.
Yeah, that's me, fast food wife.
Yeah, she's an easy keeper.
So we did end up going to Wendy's, and the power was out. So they've locked Wendy's, but we were already in here. So guess what? Wendy's is a place to go buy your lunches because they are giving everybody their meals for free today. So that worked out well. Still raining, and we're at Starbucks getting chai tea lattes. Well, the freezing rain finally stopped. There's a lot of flooding around this area because we got a lot of rain. And it seems to have passed us now, so we'll see what tomorrow looks like. Thank you for joining us. Arnie didn't get his jeans. They were out of his size. But he did get them ordered. So if you enjoyed your time at Ewetopia Farms today, give us a like, send us a comment, and join us again tomorrow for the next day at Ewetopia Farms. Bye for now.